Mr. Doggo. There's gonna be a marathon race at Meteor Lake today. The competition this year is fierce. Oh, I see. What was that? Hello, Mr. Raccoon. Hey, what you painting? Oh wait, no, what voice will I give him? Oh, you can't tell? He's an artist. It's supposed to be the coastline, though I'm trying to go for more abstract look. I think I can see it now, yeah? It's still a work in progress. But I don't know if I like where it's going. I think I'm gonna head over to the Blackwood Forest Lighthouse soon. Still trying to find the right inspiration. Yeah. Sometimes... Oh, do I climb this? Oh, I can. Yeah, I just hold. Oh, I need more. Sometimes you just have to wait it out and hope you find the right inspiration. Find the right thing to do. The right one for you. Just don't give up. And you'll be able to eventually find it. At least that's what I believe. Seashells. Oh, coins. Who keeps leaving these around? I mean, I should thank them, honestly. They gave me a golden feather. Gave me some pretty seashells. Gave me a reason to walk around. Hogpick Trail. Notice. Hogpick Trail is a strenuous hike. You might need golden feathers to complete it. Golden feathers are for sale at the visitor center. Oh wait, I forgot. Can I get that one? I think I can now. Oh, can I climb it? Yeah, I can. I got 2 now. Nice. Can I fly over there? Caravan. Hey dude. Excuse me. Do you have time? Yeah, let me check. Say, normally, I would know the time. I just lost my watch. Oh, sorry. It was very expensive. And priceless when you consider the sentimental value. Oh, I see. If you can find it, can you bring it back to me? Sure. Please don't sell it on the internet or whatever. It's very valuable to me. No, don't worry. I'll bring it right back. Okay. Thanks. I mean, there isn't any internet connection here anyway, so I can't sell it even if I want to. Though it would be a... No, I mustn't sell it. Yeah, who needs to sell the watch on internet when there's just a bunch of coins scattered around? Oh, Mr. Fox. I was planning on hiking to Hawk Peak, but the path suddenly got really steep. Do you think it's climbable? Well, it would be if I had a golden feather. But apparently, they sell them at the visitor center. Oh, I did not expect him to be rhyming. It was just a feeling, gut feeling. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Hi. Hi. Are you okay? really. I'm supposed to run a marathon race today, but I lost my lucky headband. I've run it to every race I've ever ran. I don't know if I can race without it. Where'd you lose it? Somewhere in the Blackwood Forest, I think. I could take a look for you. Really? You do that for me? Sure. It's a red headband. I can give you a reward. I can give you a pair of running shoes. Don't you need those yourself? Well, I just got sponsored by this shoe company. They gave me like 10 pairs down. Wow! Congrats! Oh! Thanks. But let me know if you see a red headband. Of course, my dude. Okay, let me just look at this. Oh. Oh, damn, that's actually... Damn. Is it like... It's like I'm actually there, myself. How do I exit though? Oh. Escape. Hog Peak, Good Creek Path, Royal Ridge, Blackwood Trail. I guess I'll farm. Farm. I'm just exploring behind. I meant... Oh, the guitar. Wonderful. Oh, coins. Nice. Oh my god, is that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? Hiya, ambush. Oh, weird question, but where'd you get that headband? I don't know. I've had it for ages. Why? Ah, well, I was just talking to this rabbit and she said she lost her headband somewhere in this forest. Oh, you mean Sue? Maybe? I didn't get her name. She was really worried about it though. She said it was lucky and she needs it for the race. I'm supposed to race her later today. She's so talented, I've been really looking forward to it. What if I gave you mine? I'm pretty sure it's the same kind. Maybe she wouldn't notice? Oh, but then it wouldn't be lucky? Ah, I don't know. Just take it. See if she wants it. Oh, it's very nice of you. Well, see you. Yes. Is that a coin? No, it's not. Hello, Sue. Any luck finding my headband yet? Well, I found this. That's not it. That's not it. The sweat stains aren't in the right place. Oh, you. Where did you find this? Actually, a turtle gave it to me. He said you can have it. They're looking forward to the race and didn't want you to miss it. What? Really? Taylor the turtle? Oh, they're like the regional champion. This headband has to be like at least twice as lucky. Possibly even quadruple lucky. Oh. Okay. I'll take it. I'm so pumped. Take these running shoes. Oh, thank you. You can hold C to run with them. However, just keep in mind that running requires golden feathers. Oh, okay. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. It's nice.